This flan is not just delicious, it is easy to make with a very few ingredients. What's not to like about it? Just a quick reminder, you'll be able to find the recipe in the video description box over here. Let's get started.
In a big skillet and at a medium temperature, we're going to melt the sugar. We only add the sugar when the pan is ready. Spread it very well throughout the pan. I know the temptation of stirring the sugar, it's very strong, but stirring it would only create a big sugar crystal you will have to throw away later. Seriously, let it sit for at least 8 to 10 minutes. When you see that the sugar started to melt down, take the pan by the handle and rearrange the sugar again. No spatula or spoon yet. If you're afraid of burning the sugar, you can just lower the temperature. When you see that there's almost no sugar crystals left, start stirring, or more like folding the sugar just to make sure you're bringing the sugar that was on the side to the center, because the center is hotter than the outside, and help out the melting process. Now that it's already dissolved, we'll stir very well to eliminate any crystals that might have been left. Add it to the mold where you're going to be baking the flan. But do it fast, otherwise the caramel will harden within seconds of being removed from the heat. Spread it throughout the walls of the mold and to the center of it. Once you have spread it, it will look like this and you won't be able to melt it down again. Let it aside and continue working on the flan. Add the condensed milk to the blender. Also add the evaporated milk, the vanilla extract, the salt, and the eggs. Place the lid and blend for about 3 minutes. Take the lid out. Add the mixture to the mold on top of the caramel. Add it all at once. Don't be scared if the caramel sounds like it's breaking. It's actually breaking, but that's okay. It's normal. Place the mold inside another larger pan and cover it with aluminum foil. Put water to boil and add it to the mold, but only once the mold is inside the oven. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit degrees for 55 minutes or until the custard stops wobbling in the center. Remove from the hot water and let it cool down to room temperature for about an hour. Then bring it to the refrigeration for at least 8 hours.
If this is your first time on the channel, in this little circle that appears right now, you'll be able to subscribe. That way you don't miss out on any other delicious recipes like this one. And I'm also going to link 2 other videos of delicious recipes that you'll be able to prepare and enjoy at home with friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.